strong, independent woman, crafted with exquisite artistry and designed to turn heads. This stunning piece reflects the sheer brilliance and unwavering confidence of the wearer. The golden majestic gown is a symbol of beauty and strength, a beacon of inspiration for strong, independent women. When adorned in this mesmerizing creation, a woman becomes a force to be reckoned with, a picture of resilience, determination, and unyielding self-assurance. Like gold, she shines with a captivating glow, leaving an indelible mark on the world as she asserts her place with boldness